Hello surveying class students, this is John Hannon. Hopefully this will be a quick video. I just want to show you, guide you through using the spreadsheet and the basic math for one of problem 4's practice problems in chapter 5 on differential leveling field notes. Right? So I've gone to the practice problems. I'm looking at number 4A, and they say complete the field notes for what they've given you here. So I'm going to pull up a spreadsheet, and I've put in the formulas just to help me along in case I get stuck, and you can put those anywhere you want, get them out of the way, but memorize those, have them handy, and I'm just going to emulate that table. So I need a station column, I need a backside column, and I like to put the plus sign in there just to help me. The middle one is height of instrument. The next one is front sight, and that's a negative number. Typically, it's a subtractive number. You can see here in the formulas, and also elevation. So I'll put those in here. Let's see. I'll probably also want to come in here and swipe some cells, right mouse click, and make sure these kind of get centered. Let's see what looks like 2 decimal places. So I'm going to come in here, right mouse click, and say format the cells. The numbers will have 2 decimal places. That's good. Remember, some of these are 3. Some of the practice problems have 3 decimal places. I'm going to say OK. Then I'm going to come up here and just hit Control B and kind of make those bold. And let's see if I may move this over here, and I'm just going to copy what they've given us. So benchmark 10, and then turning point 1, turning point 2, turning point 3, and a second benchmark. And they also give us some backside information: 3.45, 4.68, 6.85, 9.63, and then let's see, 2.36 for a foresight here, 1.23 for a front sight at turning point 2, 1.79, turning point 3, 2.46 at the benchmark, and they give us a starting elevation, 753.220. And they want us to figure the heights of the instrument and also the elevation. Okay. And sometimes it's good to go back to your text and look at the images and the notes that I covered in a previous video. But all we have to do now is really use these formulas. Alright, so I want the height of the instrument. This means the known elevation plus the backside. So equals, here's the known elevation, boom, plus the backside, which is this cell. I click on it, and I get 756.65, right? Now this stands for elevation, the N stands for new, and that equals the height of the instrument minus a foresight. Okay, so if I know the height of the instrument equals this minus the foresight that I take at turning point 1, I get 754.29. All right, so what's my height of the instrument? It equals known elevation height of the instrument equals the known elevation plus the backside. And once I do that, I can copy these down. Okay. And if I want, I think I'll put these in a nice little box. I can go up here, say give me borders on everything. And now let's do the arithmetic check and see if I've made any mistakes. So I'm going to sum all the backsides. I can see if I can right mouse click and do that. No. I've got to go over here, hit my sum, enter. Come over here, hit my sum again, or you can use the sum formula. All right. And what I want to do is put in a formula here that says equals the original elevation plus, remember backsides are plus, so the sum of the backsides minus the foresides right here, boom, and notice this is the check. All right, so you should be close or right on the money. This is a simple one. I'm right on the money. And now, since I have the formulas built in here, all right, I can click up here. You can see how I got it. My escape key, hit the elevation for this equation. Boom. You can see how that works. All right, and you can use this for any of the problems. I would do it from scratch just so that you have some repetition and don't rely completely on the spreadsheet. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much.